Hi there. Hope you are doing well. I'm also going fine. Sorry for my being interrupted for 2 days. I was not available. Uh, Last day, hopefully, we have completed a text of in time of breaking of nation for class 11. Today, I would like to convey you to the masses that hopefully we have to complete some grammars. So I told you was earlier, the narration is still pending. So I'm going to complete them. I'm going to just finish them up. The narration is going to be completed. And the part is that narration exclamatory sentence. Although hopefully you have completed imperative maybe or interrogative. If I'm not, please make me sure or write in the comment box. So as I have told you, there are 5 sentences: assertive, interrogative, imperative, exclamatory, objective. So assertive I have told you, interrogative maybe I haven't told you, but today I am going to explain you about the exclamatory sentences. I have already given you the examples to work out along with the answers, so that it will be helpful for you. So exclamatory sentence is a sentence where the exclamation such as ah, alas, ooh, ouch, these words should come out. When a speaker says, alas, I have lost my pen. So the speaker, suppose Ram said, comma, inverted comma, alas, I have lost my pen. The example says, Ram exclaimed in sorrow that I have lost my pen. He had lost his pen. The formations are same. Present indefinite, past indefinite, present continuous, past continuous, present perfect, past perfect. Here, Ram, I have lost the pen, that means present perfect tense. When I would transform it, it should be past perfect, that Ram had lost, or the boy had. Okay, mind it. And some boys also gave some comments regarding my English speaking. They are asking me to speak in Bengali, and those who speak in Hindi, they are asking me to speak in Hindi. Sorry, guys. If I am going to handle the class in this way, what is going to happen? You will not only that the interest of the English should be lessened. Along with that, you will also lose interest in speaking English. So long as you are able to listen to me, as you are getting habit to listen to me, a habit of speaking English also will grow in you. So try to listen to me. I try to speak as slow as possible, is that it may be understandable for you. So the exclamatory sentence is sentence where exclamation is come out or coming out or comes out. In this sentence, ah, ooh, ouch, alas, bravo, congratulations, these are very common exclamation we use, and this supposed to become to be your examination. The example suppose is given there. The boy said, oof, what a great fall it was. The boy exclaimed in surprise that it had been a great fall. So these are the examples. Actually, the examples are not in front of me. I'm just keeping on my memory and trying to tell you. Another example is that the girl said, how beautiful the sight is. So the girl exclaimed in surprise or exclaimed in joy that the sight was very beautiful. One rule is that whenever you see how or what in the reported speech, change it into great or very. Okay, how beautiful you are very beautiful. How great the disaster was very great. How dangerous the activity was very dangerous. So the police told how dangerous the activity was in Kanpur. The Kanpur incident, very brutal, very painful for those who police and common people. It is on through the police, but it's really painful. So the story is, the policeman exclaimed in sorrow that it was very dangerous. But there are some confusion. How dangerous? When I'm telling, it might be sounding as exclamation of surprising, but as the case is of painful, so we should try to explain it in a pain. Of course. Suppose I have write, alas, I have lost my father. So the boy said, alas, I have lost my father. The boy exclaimed in sorrow that he had lost his father. So this is very common examples of exclamatory sentence. Let me give you some examples of imperative sentence. The examples of imperative I will upload later on, but I would make you clear one thing. What is imperative sentence? Imperative is, order, request or advised. Whenever you are ordering someone or advising or requesting or suggesting someone, it is imperative sentence. Suppose the boy said, don't go to the fire, don't touch the fire. The boy advised not to touch the fire. The boy said, or the mother said, always keep quiet. Mother advised to keep quiet. Okay. The leader said, go to the field now. The leader ordered to go to the field now. The formation is you have to just put a to and then, that is infinitive, and then continue the sentence as it is. And another example, if you are seeing a don't in the beginning of the reported speech, just do it not to. Not to, but not to. As earlier I have seen that whenever you are seeing an example of just simple a sentence with the verb 2 plus main verb 1, suppose I am giving an example. The boy said, catch the ball as soon as possible. The boy advised or ordered or suggested to catch the ball as soon as possible. To catch. I have used infinitive to and the rest of the sentence. Otherwise, in the sentence, the boy said, don't catch the ball. The boy ordered not to catch the ball. Have I made myself clear? Hopefully. To plus main verb 1, but when you are saying don't, you can write down not plus to plus main verb 1, not to catch the ball. So this is very common examples. I think it may be clear for you. Actually, one thing is very much interesting for you, that narration is a whole chain of rules. If you are able to memorize the formulas, you will be able to understand what I am trying to tell you. It is nothing but a practice that I have also gone through and I am telling you. So now the matter is you have to practice those examples and send me through your description or the comment box whatever you are liking or disliking. Okay, next class I would love to start with some text as well as grammar. But today I have felt that I would go through the grammar as narrations. Regarding narration, there are a lot of questions. So go through all this. Okay, practice all this at your home and send me as if it's possible to our WhatsApp group we have created. And later on we are meeting, of course, with the help of text as well as narration. Okay, take care. Till then, goodbye.